What's up, guys? Coach Kev here, back with another market update for Bitcoin and the Coin Observatory server. As you guys know, we've had a crazy weekend. George, Crypto Saber, for those of you who don't know, gave us a really awesome workshop, and he did it at a really crazy time because he did it right when the opportunity presented itself for a Chicago Merchant Exchange price gap. The Chicago Merchant Exchange closed at 62.90, which was right at that big resistance line that we were watching. As you guys know, price hit this weekend almost 75.80 is what I'm seeing on the Bitstamp chart. So let's check XBT. 75.87. So we went on an absolute rocket this weekend, and everybody was trying to find a top. This thing was parabolic. Everybody's super bullish, which they should be for BTC. But no, everybody knows you can't go on this big of a move without a little bit of relaxation and price forgiveness. So what I've been watching for the last couple weeks and working on is an moving average play from back in 2015, where I got to move over to the Bitstamp chart here because that's where the historical price action is, where the 200, the 100, and the 50-day MA started to vortex, and we actually got the crossovers we got again after this big move back in 2014. And the price bounced around all the way down for an 86% retracement. The reason I started watching this is because of this is the last time we had the 200-day above the 50 and the 100 before the big move up to 20,000. Before this big move, that's the last time we had it. That you can kind of see where this all happened on the chart way back when. And we had this big move up. Look at this. It was an 83% retracement from the very top. So I'm thinking there's possibly some correlations here. I started watching. If I put the MAs back up, you can see this is where they start to vortex just like they were back here. So that's where the importance of this came into me. We made an 88% leg up here, just like, we made an 88% leg up here out of the breakout of this kind of neckline. Now I'm thinking we come back down to test this neckline if history repeats itself perfectly. Do I think that's the case? At this point, I don't think so. 6,000 was such a strong support historically that I think we'll end up bouncing there. Again, this is not trading advice. This is my opinion and my speculation on the market. Do not always do your own research and do not take my advice. Just listen. Enjoy the opinion. Anyway, let's move on to the CME gap. So we are looking at, let me put these on a split screen really quick. BTC1. So if we're looking at this, TradingView chat. CME's way back here, where this just barely broke out. That's a big gap to close. Saber started talking about this, and I got really brave and started taking some profits, and I actually entered a hedge short at 73.50. Be down here. As we started to break down, I think it was on the hourly chart or the half-hour chart, we started to break down here. I got it at 73.50 right as we broke this Support, we're bouncing back up, I believe, just as a retest. And we really can see it's starting to kind of look like a head and shoulders possible pattern. So it's very likely if we were to see a head and shoulders there and we measure the shoulder from here to here, here to here, be an 11% move. And if we broke down from the neckline, be about a 7% move. So if we broke down from where we were now, if this was the retest, we're looking at 11.88. So it's starting to make sense that we hit that CME gap. They open in 8 minutes. I don't know if FOMO will set in and we end up taking a rocket, or we end up taking the bounce down and history repeats itself to where we get something like this, a 41% retracement. So if we draw that out really quick, 41% brings us all the way back down to where we started this run. So let's make this 40%. We broke down from here. 40, yeah. Bring us back down to this neckline. So that would be worst case scenario for me. We break down past that and we are in big trouble. So sorry about the cough. I haven't been feeling very well. Wanted to get this video out to you guys before the CME opened and price action resumed itself. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin definitely is trying to make its bull run, and yeah, things are starting to get exciting. There's money to be made in the market again. Volatility is back and we're ready to go. If you guys want to join us, get inside findings to what we're looking at, join the Discord. I'll have links in the video below, and I'll talk to you later.